Hi friends, welcome back to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh Gorantla and today we are going to discussing about our next topic is like a new tab and Windows. Okay, new tabs is nothing but like a when you are opening like this, that's a new tabs. Windows is nothing but like this. Okay, but in automation side we can call it as a both are same. Okay, now in this particular URL, whenever we click a new tab, it will open the new tab. Okay. Now we can able to handle switch that particular place and we can able to get the data and then validate it. Okay. Ah, sorry. Now your homework after completion of this. Okay. You can see right pop-up window. If you click, it will open for new windows. Okay. This is the one you need to switch and you need to get the current URL of the browsers. All three browsers URL you must be print into the console. Okay, that is your homework. Okay, how you can able to do, you can try. Okay, after completion of the video, you can take the reference and you can do it. In case if you are not able to do, comment on this video. I can able to help you. Okay, let's start then. Settings and library browsers. Oh shit. These all the things is not required. Proper spacing. Okay. Now we are able to get it here. And then I need to first, whenever we are there and we need to get the parent ID. In a Selenium, we have for get window handle and window handles. Window handle, it will give you the parent and get window handles, it will give you for all the childs, right? The similar format we are going to get for first parent information. Okay, for that we need to use the parent as a parent and then we need to use a IDs. Okay, get page IDs. This will give you for entire parent information. Okay, now I'm printing the parent information. Okay, then I'm making for some sleep 2 seconds. Then I'm going to click for this new tab. Okay, this new tab having the XPath. Now click XPath. Okay, specify the XPath. Now it will click that one. Okay, once it is click, we need to sleep sometime. Okay, because it will load, right? It need to be load. Okay, now here. Now once we open a new tab, then I need to switch properly to that particular page. Okay, how to do switching? There is a switch method, switch page. Okay, switch page, and then I'm going to use a new. Okay, this new it says that which is the opened and newly that particular page it will switch. Okay. Mm. Now I need to print here. Okay, dollar. Then I need to print my URL. Okay, that URL we need to get URL. Then I print. Okay, I need to wait for 2 seconds. Okay, this is the one we are going to do. Okay, now I'm running. Sorry. Now it is clicked. It is opened. New tab and it is loading. Now done. You can see it is print for new tab URL. Okay. Now after that, what we need to do? We need to switch back a parent and then we need to validate it. Right. Now I'm going to use for my switch again. Switch page parent and I'm specifying as a 0. switching as a 0. Now again I'm doing URL of parent URL. Okay, then we can able to close it. Now again running. Now you can see it is ran and it will switch. You can see switched and it is closed and URL also printed parent URL. Okay, both are different. Like this, it will be switch between the tabs and windows. Okay, now the homework already I explained, right? You need to click the second one and it will open for multiple windows. You have to switch and you need to get the complete URLs or anything you can take it. Okay, let's try. And in case if you are not able to do, please ping me this video. Under this video, you can make it as a comment. I can able to help you for that. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.